Today we're going to unbox this awesome Ferrari watch.
1, 2, 3.
Hey guys, and welcome back to our series of unboxing videos of cool things. Today I'm doing things a little bit different. I actually have my GoPro set up today. I want to see how that films and how that works for us. See if it makes a better video than some of the other stuff. We always have our backup camera over here that will help us out with going the overhead here, so you get a good view of the watch as we bust it out and show it off to you. So we're going to continue to do these from time to time and have little unboxings for us. So if you're the kind of guy like me and you're looking for stuff that's really a good gift, something that's not too crazy expensive, these are going to be good. This is a good item for you. This is something that we're going to get off of Amazon. Remember that any of the items that we have here are going to be available on aggressivedesign.net/shop. We're going to put that in the little link below, and as well as the description, so you can take a look at it, click over, go over, and if this is something that you want to pick up for yourself, it's here for you. So without further delay, I guess this is an official item. I don't know the full details of it. Usually with things like this, it has its little logo here and it has a logo here. It actually has a little bit of tape here, so we're gonna have to take the tape off. And because I like keeping my boxes, I'm gonna be really gentle about pulling the tape off. Watch, it's gonna go right into that. Oh, it went right into the UPC. So what I'm gonna do, so we're gonna do that. So you can see here, it's going to go into the UPC area. So I'm going to put the tape back like that, and then I'll wrap it around later. So here's that, so you can see that. All right. So it has a two-piece here. So you can see that's the official little logo piece here. So if you see these, that's officially from Ferrari, official product. It'll come with a product number on it and things of that nature. This came together, so I was actually given this as a gift to unbox it. So that's the thing is that's what I want to do here. Ooh, look at that. All right, that looks pretty cool. I love it when they come in these, they have these little booties. So it's kind of like a pillow for your item. I don't even know if this fits yet. This was given to me as a gift for an unboxing. So I don't even know if this will fit. This might be too big. I have very big wrists. So I came from a pro wrestling background. And that's the thing is this is the kind of thing that that may not fit me, but it looks kind of big. So it has another little stuff on the back here. It has a cool little, I hope you can see this, the little Ferrari logo on the dial itself. I don't think it's working right now. Usually there's something in the instructions to make them go. But here, so you can see this, hopefully you can see it, is it has a really cool chronograph look to it. What I really dig about it is it has the tires, the tire tread feel of the wristband. Now, I've bought a couple of Ferrari watches. I'm guessing this is a Scuderia. Yeah, this is one too, Scuderia. I have a couple of Ferrari watches. These are my favorites. The weird thing about them is they are on the inexpensive side. So when you click on the link and look it up, you're going to be shocked at how inexpensive this is for an official watch. I don't know why. If anybody can explain that in the comments or put a description to it, let me know why that is. That is just something that was always weird to me, was because whenever I actually bought real official items, they were really expensive. The Tonino Lamborghini watches were really expensive, and but they're really nice watches, really cool to own. So, and that has its own little product on it, so it makes it nice and official. Okay. Now I don't know if this has, are there any more instructions in here? I feel like I'm one of those puzzle network things where they're like, oh, well, how does this work? So it doesn't look like anything else on. So I'll have to figure out later. Probably needs a battery. A lot of times, especially when these things are inexpensive like this, usually what happens is they've been around for a while. If they've been around for a while, the batteries are always dead, and you have to replace the battery. I forgot how much the battery costs to replace on the other one, so hopefully hopefully we can just find that and be the fix for it. But for now, this is the moment of truth, and I feel really good about it so far. So that's that. it actually fits right in. And any of the watches that they have from Ferrari, it's very cool. I'll get maybe one too tight there. It's going to be right on the edge, but whatever. You can see the logo cinches in. So it has a little lock point, so it just locks into there, and you can make it the distance that you want. And that's really cool. So that's how it looks right there. I hope you can see that. That is, I don't know, a lot of people would look at this watch for me and think that's a $2,000, $3,000 plus watch, and in reality, it's not even close to that. So let's take, I think there's a little, yes, there's the gasket. So there's your little plastic gasket that went on top of it. We'll put that right there. So yeah, so that's it right there. Everything's nice and ready to go. Like I said, I'm probably just gonna have to buy a battery for this watch and have it to work right. But for now, that is a pretty cool, legit setup. I don't know if you go to any kind of clubs or any kind of things like that. I'm obviously wearing purple. It doesn't work with the red, but the red always usually does well with anything with black. Any of the suit stuff that I have, I usually have a red tie. This will go right in with it. It's really weird for the blue exchange between blue and black, because if you do a blue suit, you're gonna want a band that's more of a basically a wood grain feel to it, or a wood look to it, which is better. But with a black suit and a blue tie or anything of that nature, black and red, I'm doing good. So with a black suit with a red tie or anything like that nature, this would really work well. And also, because of the way it looks, it has a good casual look to it. So I could put on the red polo, put it with this, and it would look great. And it's the conversation piece of it having the tire tread to it and being official. So anybody, you can take this off. So it'll take 2 seconds to come off here. As I get used to it, they're stiff when they're new. So if anybody comes over, you can see your official Spa Ferrari logo in the back here. And that makes it's an official product. So yeah. So there's the watch. I am really impressed with this so far. I'm a little upset that I can't use it because it doesn't have battery in it. I don't know if it's motion activated. There's no real instructions with this, so unfortunately, but on the whole, this is definitely a watch that I would definitely pick up. I would definitely wear and definitely show off, especially if I was going to some unveilings or going to a nice suit and tie kind of event, even with the tire treads to it, especially if it's a car oriented event. If you're a car guy, you put something like this on and it really will show not only that you look good and that you make good choices, but that you have something that represents you really well. So thank you guys for checking out the unveiling today. I hope that'll stay. Is it gonna stay? It's not gonna stay. Probably have to bolt it up, right? Ha, take that. So yeah, that's our unveiling for day. Thank you guys for tuning in. Really, this is something I'm probably going to put on the second I'm done with the video, and I'll probably wear it for about a week, even without it working, just to get a feel for it. And then I'm going to go out and get a battery for it as soon as some of the illness and stuff that's going around right now blows over. And then after that, I'm going to definitely represent this at probably a Ferrari unveiling of some sort, and I cannot wait. So this is going to be a great product. If it's something you're looking to do, take a look at it, like again in the link below, aggressivedesign.net/shop. And pick one up for yourself. It's going to be an awesome item. Thank you guys for tuning in. As always, we have some more videos for you down the road here so that you can check out some of the other cool stuff that we do automotive oriented. And as for now, I'm going to continue to look for the next really cool product. Thank you guys for tuning in. Have a great day. Bye.